Hi everyone, my super easy video for today is potato salad. So I have chopped up into cubes about 6 large potatoes, about this big, and I've steamed them for 10 minutes. And to that, I'm going to add all these different goodies. So I have just under half a cup of vegan mayo. And this is the vegan mayo I use. You can get it from Coles. And this one's sweetened with stevia, so it's got no added nasty sugars. And it's actually not too bad for you, this vegan mayo. We have it every now and then. So I've got that in the little jar. And I'm going to add half a cup of chopped basil out of the neighbour's garden. And 1 tablespoon of chopped capers. So I'm using these ones. And I'm going to put in 1 teaspoon of organic Dijon mustard. This one from Woolies. Splash of liquid smoke. Here's a pretty big splash. And that's it. We're going to mix it all up. Looks pretty funky. You can add some black pepper if you want, but it's going to be pretty spicy anyway by the time I'm finished. So it looks pretty green and delicious. I'll add that in with the potatoes. And I've cooked in the grill these. They're pretty delicious, and I've chopped them into about 2 centimeter circles and then chopped them in half again, so they're like little crescent moons. So I've used about 4 of those. And they go in. I've chopped up 2 tomatoes into sort of cubes. And I'm also going to add half a can of organic chickpeas. So I've already drained these off. I'm just going to dry my hands. And mix that all together. Looks delicious. And I'm going to add to that organic pepitas, pumpkin seeds. So you can do like 2 tablespoons. For this one I'm going to do 1. There's already plenty of goodies in there. And I have spinach, just the whole leaves. I'm going to put it on a plate over the spinach leaves. It's going to look really funky and cool. And that's pretty much it. It's done. It tastes delicious. You can also add up, a couple chopped gherkins to it if you like, or some vegan pepperoni, but the vegan sausages are pretty spicy, so they give it a really nice taste. And enjoy. Thanks for watching, and if you like these videos, please subscribe to Vegan Duchess. Thank you.